Hi, this is Sunil. This is my new build. I'm gonna give the configuration details. Let's start with the processor. This is the Intel i5 processor, second generation I'm using, and this is an CPU cooler from Foxconn. And the motherboard I'm using is an zebronics Zeb H61 nvme variant motherboard. You can see this one. This is the latest motherboard from the H61 series. You can see this one. This motherboard have two RAM slots, so supports up to 16 GB of RAM, 8 GB per slot, and it have graphic card slot for graphic card slot which is called PCE or PCE Express slot. You can see this one. You can install all the graphic card here, and we have the nvme. You can see this one, M.2 nvme. You can see this one. So other than that, we have we used the RAM. I'm using a RAM of transand 4 GB of RAM. You can increase that one if you want, but I'm using 4 GB variant. If customers want more GBs, I can install. And the storage I'm using from an ANT Sports 690 Neo SSD. You can see this one. It is an 256 GB of SSD, SATA SSD. I'm not using an NVMe because I had stock of this one too much, so I'm using this one. Next time, in the next build, I'm going to use the NVMe. And other than that, in this motherboard, we have six USB connections. One HDMI connection for a digital signal, one VGA connection for analog signal, and audio connections. Let's talk about the power supply. The power supply we are using is an frontech 600 watt high quality power supply. You can see this one. This is not an regular power supply. It's a huge power supply. You can see this one. The regular power supply comes like this size, and this is a huge power supply. Why it is used? Because it have 120 fan, huge fan on the bottom side. You can see this one. So guys, this is the frontech high quality power supply, 600 watt. You can see that one. Other than that, we are using an finger cabinet. You can see this one. This is a cabinet from the finger. You can see this one. This is called power tower. You can see this one. It's a power tower. It's a very huge big cabinet. It have glossy finish on here. We have DVD slot here, and we have 3.0 USB and 2.0 USB, and the front panel we have audio connection, mic connection, power button, and reset. You can see this one, so beautiful. So guys, let's talk about the cabinet. It is an full ATX cabinet. You can see this one. This is the motherboard. You can install motherboard till now double the size of this one, almost double the size and double the width of this one. See guys, if you're thinking if you have a big motherboard, can I install? Yes, of course you can install, because it start from here and here, see, lot of room is there. So other than that, what the other things you have? You can install DVD. Okay, you can install DVD. You can install huge or lengthy graphic cards. You can from here to here you can install lengthy graphic cards. And you can install one hard drive here, 1 2 3 4. You can install up to 4 hard drives, and you can install up to 1 and 2 not 4 hard drives. Wait, 1 2 3 4 5. You can install up to 5 hard drives, or you can use 2 SSDs you can use. So guys, overall this build is so nice, and it come under like around 7,000 Indian rupees, all new, maybe 7 to 8,000, but if I am selling this one for 7,300 Indian rupees, including installation of software and operating system also, everything including in this one. And this is a new and clean build. See, you can see this one, all is new and clean build. Maybe the processor and RAM is kind of old, but it's in working good condition. It's not a full completely new build, but almost 80% of the parts are new. So guys, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like this video, if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.